Hey everyone, good morning to all of you today. I will tell you in 13 days, in 13 days, if you follow my methods, my ways, you must be good enough in speaking English. And this is a guarantee. Enough you have to follow because I used to follow that methods at my beginnings and I improved a lot. I won't say you could be a master in this language within a 13 days, but you will be enough, good enough to speak in well English, I would say. Okay. So the problem is that in this time the beginners are following wrong strategy. They started collecting fancy vocabulary, many idioms, phrases, right? There is no uses of this kinds of stuff at your beginnings, especially if you are learning, especially when you start learning this language. In that situations, there is no need of collecting a lot of stuff related to this spoken English, phrases, idioms, and like fancy words. It's not your destiny at your beginnings, because you are not up to, you are not better in speaking even single sentence you are unable to create in a right form at your beginning. So you have to focus of your basic things like your weakness. Mostly they are suffering through multiple issues at beginnings, like they are unable to create even one single sentence with a grammar. If I talk about, they are unable to form any structure in a good way. Their grammar is not good enough, right? They are not knowing about any words, how to fix in their conversation, in their sentence, right? Many more things are there to focus on at your beginnings. Instead of them, those things, they started collecting fancy words, idioms, phrases. Like, these are the things they started doing very early. And due to that reason, they lost their interest, right? Because they understood, they understand like this is not a piece of cake for me to collect out and using in my conversations, right? So today I'm going to discuss many like major point so that you can work upon in a right way and you can improve your English. Firstly, you have to make a strong your base, I would say. Like first of all, you have to rectify your weak part in your speaking. Mostly they are unable to convey their message because of their transformation is not okay. Transformation means they are unable to create sentence with the grammar. So firstly, you have to focus on your grammar, your constructions, how you are creating sentence. Like mostly, the people are making mistake in order to create sentence. Like they are unable to use right proposition, conjunctions, verbs, right? Subject, they are unable to do in the right way. So firstly, you have to notice on how are you using such kinds of stuff in your speaking, right? Another point I'm going to highlight here, first of all, you have to inculcate habit of reading books, because readings, it will help you how to rectify your mistakes and as well as give you some kinds of ideas how to create sentence in a correct way. Mostly they are not able to speak even single sentence because they didn't inculcate habit of reading earlier, right? So reading, it will help you to give your indications how to convey your message right way, how to make good sentence with the grammar. Other things I would say, focusing on grammar's part, constructions, and apart from, you have to acquire more and more knowledges about multiple areas, multiple topics, so that it would be quite handy for you to convey your message, and you will get chance to create sentence over there, right? Because mostly, learner does not have any idea about any topic. When time comes out, their mind goes blank because they didn't store any information about any matters, any topics. So by convey your message, you must have something in your mind. So must, as much as you can acquire the knowledge about multiple areas, multiple topics, so it would be quite convenient for you to convey your message. Because if you do not have anything in your mind, then what will you convey? This is the main point, right? And that's why you are known as a beginner at your beginnings. Having knowledge about multiple areas, it would be also very beneficial for you to do try more and more, right? And apart from that, like you have to collect very, daily words which is used by us in our day-to-day life. Try to use daily words, try to collect daily words, very general words. So this will help you to convey your message in a profound way, because you are well aware about your day-to-day life words, right? Don't run behind fancy words, because this is not a cup of tea for you to construct related fancy words, right? So you just collect words, normal words, daily words, so it would be handy for you to convey your message in a normal way. Okay, so making strong your basic, improve your weakness in your speaking, weak part in your speaking. Try to read every single day at least one page story. Okay, so these are the things is very noticeable for you. If you notice over this matter, you can be good enough within a 13 days, I would say, really. Because initially I used to do, okay, I used to do myself, and that's why still I'm able to speak. Otherwise, I want I was not there in front of you. I'm messaging about multiple things related to spoken English. So what I did myself earlier, my defense, if you really want to good enough in 13 days, so you must follow my ways, my strategy. It must help you out. And don't run behind a lot of fancy words and idioms and phrasal. It would be necessity for you after completing out your basic things. Like if you become good enough in your day-to-day life conversation, then you focus over there. But before, you have to focus on your basic thing. Basic means you have to notice on yourself, like you are better in speaking about normal discussions. You are really able to convey your message in a good form with the grammars, right? You are really able to convey your message with the good words, like general words. So these are the things it's a noticeable for you, and you have to notice. You have to develop confidence level as well, because learning English is not a easy task for anyone, as we consider, because of having less confidence, right? So confidence, it's a priority for you to develop limited areas, in a limited times. Confidence will be there, your performance will be tremendous, I would say. So, and sometimes, what is the biggest fear of learners life? They are not willing to make mistake. They consider, if I'll make mistake, the people make fun of me. So this is your, what I say, This is the biggest, uh, like mistakes of your life, I would say, thinking this way. Like it's a obvious things, like if you're going to learn something, so you 100% you make mistakes, right? Thinking about someone make fun of me, I should not learn out. So this is your weakness. You are living in your own comfort zone. You get out of them, get out of this and try to do something else, what I'm telling you. Okay, because initially if I were think about, so I was not there in front of you all, right? Because I'm coming from rural place, I didn't have any environment. So you just think about how many thoughts was coming in my mind when I started my journey, right? So don't think like, just start your journey, just try, just take your initiative today till now, so that you can reach your level very soon. So I think today is enough and hope you will understand and you must follow. Thank you so much for stay with me.